Good morning. It's January the 9th, and Advanced Embrace continues to inspire. Today's category is Eureka effect, scientific facts with real benefits. Our ninth message is: blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin prepares your body for sleep by lowering temperature and slowing metabolism. Blue light suppresses it twice as much as any other light. How does it work? Our eyes have receptors sensitive to the blue spectrum. The brain mistakes this light for sunshine, daytime light, and delays sleep. This shortens deep sleep, affecting memory and immunity. What can we do already today? Use lamps with warm yellow light in the bedroom. Activate night mode on your devices in the evening. It makes screen colors warmer. But the most effective way to help your body is to avoid screens completely 2 hours before sleep. Instead, create a gadget-free evening with pleasant audio support. Meditative music, reading, or warm family time. An evening walk in the fresh air is also one of the most powerful natural tools for calming the nervous system. We aren't just turning off the light. We are signaling the brain that the world is safe and it's time to recover. Caring for sleep hygiene together with Advanced Embrace.